What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys just a quick video here. I want to talk about our brand new sample pack, which is the AT, the Rage sample pack, which is, it's heavily inspired off of Miss the Rage by Trippie Redd, even though as of right now the song still hasn't been released. A lot of people have been inspired and been wanting to make those type of beats or that type of sound. So we made a sample pack with the Midi. It has 20 original melody compositions. So I picked out a couple of them and I wanted to just play through some of them. I'll even bounce through some of the stems so you can see and hear the different elements that you guys get in each melody or melody composition. And as you guys can see on the left, there's 20 different compositions, key and BPM labeled. So if I went 808. And you guys also get the Midi as well. So if you want to change the sounds or add sounds on top, but don't know the exact melodies being played, there you guys go. I'll play that one back. So these are just some of the samples and melody compositions that you guys get in this pack. There's more. There's a total of 20. And so we have a lot other samples on our website as well. And we like to branch them and label them by artist inspiration or artist type to kind of help you producers and beat makers figure out the exact sounds you can expect in each pack. So if you guys like this pack, we will plan to make more like it. Be sure to leave a comment down below and love to hear your thoughts on it. And if you cop the pack, feel free to email us your thoughts as well. This is Andrew, Beat It AT Production and Publishing, and I'll see you guys later. Be sure to subscribe and follow us.